Hello student, today I am discussing the syllabus of B.Sc Part 3rd Computer Science Optional Semester 5. Course code is a DSE22E, paper number is 10 and my subject name is C Sharp Programming. What is the mean by C Sharp? C Sharp is a powerful and flexible programming language. C Sharp is a powerful and flexible programming language. It can be used to create a variety of application. It can be used to create a variety of application. Let's see unit number first. Introduction to .NET. .NET Framework Architecture. The next, an overview. Components of .NET. Components of .NET can contain CLR, CLS. Then next, Microsoft Intermediate Language or Intermediate Language. Then next, the Common Type System CTS. Then next, namespaces, .NET Framework Base Classes, DLN and EXE. DLL and EXE is a extension of C Sharp program. Long form of CLR is a common language runtime. Long form of CLS is a common language specification. An overview of C Sharp. The next point is a history and features of C Sharp. History of C Sharp. C Sharp was developed by Microsoft within its .NET framework initiative and later approved as a standard by ECMA. C Sharp programming language is a general purpose OOPS based programming language. C Sharp development team was led by Andreas Hegelsberg in 2002. The next point is the features of C Sharp. Rich library, fast, speed, simple, object oriented, component oriented, modern programming language, structured programming language. The next point is a data types. In C Sharp, number of data types. First, integer, float, character, etc. The next point is a value and reference types. Then next, boxing and unboxing. The next point is a properties and set and get method. The next is a C Sharp flow control. C Sharp flow control can contain branching, switching and looping statement. In branching statement can contain break, continue, return, go to statement. Switching can contain switch statement and looping can contain for loop, while loop, do while loop. The next is a structure. Then unit number second. Unit number second is a object oriented concepts. The unit number second is a object oriented concept. C Sharp programming compilation and execution. The next is a command line arguments. The next programming examples using console application. The next is the classes and object. What is the classes and object? In C Sharp, classes and objects are interrelated. The class in C Sharp is nothing but a collection of various data members and member function. The class in C Sharp is a nothing but a collection of various data members and member function. The object in C Sharp is an instance of a class to access the defined properties and method. The object in C Sharp is an instance of a class to access the defined properties and methods. The next is a inheritance is a features of object oriented programming language that allows you to define a base classes that provide specific functionality and to define derived classes that either inherit or override that functionality. The next is a polymorphism. Polymorphism is a Greek word meaning one name, many forms. Polymorphism is a Greek word meaning one name, many form. Polymorphism provides the ability to a class to have multiple implementation with the same name. Polymorphism provides the ability to a class have multiple implementation with same name. The next is a abstract classes, sealed classes, partial classes, exception handling. Then unit number third is a introduction to Windows Form application using C Sharp. Unit number third is a introduction to Windows Form application using C Sharp. It can be contain IDE, that is integrated development environment. It can contain IDE, that is integrated development environment. The next, form control. Form controls can contain label, button, text box, checkbox, radio button, timer, calendar, list box, image, and overview of remaining all common controls. Its properties and even first see label control. Label control is used as display medium for text on forms. Label control is used as a display medium for text on forms. The next, button. A button is an essential part of an application or software or web pages. It allows the user to interact with the application or software. The next, text box. A text box object is used to display text on a form or to get user input while C# programming is running. Text box is object used to display text on a form or to get users input while a C# programming is running. The next, checkbox. To give the user use a checkbox to give the user an option such as true or false or yes or no. Checkbox and radio button controls have a similar function. The next, timer. Timer control allows you to set a time interval to execute an event after some interval continuously. Timer control allows you to set a timer interval to execute an event after some interval continuously. The next, calendar. It is used for displaying the date. The next is a image. Image control lets you display a pictures as part of the data in a form. Image control lets you display a pictures as a part of the data in a form. The syllabus discussion is over. Thank you.